Are you having problems with your Venmo account being frozen? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue before, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually fix this. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into Google, and then you're going to search for Venmo in here, as you can see. And now when you have done so, you're going to select this result right here from the official Venmo website. So you just click on it, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. So now on this page, you're either going to get like the 3 lines in here. So if you get 3 lines, click on them and then click on Help Center in there, or you can just click on Help Center right here if you have that option. So I'm just going to click right here, and now I should be taken to this page. Now in here, we're going to search for frozen account. So just search for frozen account and click on enter, then select this first result right here. So now you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So what you're going to do now, you're going to scroll down and click on submit a request in here. So now you should be taken to this page, as you can see. So you're going to scroll all the way down in here. So now for the most important step right here, you're going to now fill out your full name in here and make sure that it's correct. Your phone number, make sure that it's correct, as you can see. And if you have your phone number connected to your Venmo account, make sure that this one is correct in here, that is exactly connected to your Venmo account. As you can see, email address on file with Venmo. So if you aren't sure or do not have a Venmo account, please enter email address where you are best reached. But you need to actually enter your email address that is connected to your Venmo account. That is the only way that you will be able to actually potentially fix this issue. So enter your exact email address, as you can see. You can click I no longer have access to this email. Well, the problem is that if you do so, you have like much less chance to be able to actually fix this issue. But there is other steps in here that you can actually fill out as well if you don't have access to your email. But yeah, I would say that if you don't have access to this email, it's going to be much harder. You can still try, of course, but it can be a lot harder. So in subject right here, you're going to write like this, frozen account, just write like this. And then it says like this, how can we help? Click here. And you're going to click your Venmo customer, obviously. What best, like as you can see, what best describes your issue in here. You're just going to click on account settings. Then you're going to click on my account is frozen, scroll all the way down in here, and you're going to now write like this. I am having issues with my Venmo account being frozen. It's done incorrectly. I need to have another look on my account. I haven't done anything that goes against the policy of Venmo. So for example, you can write like this, if this is true, of course. So if you haven't really done anything wrong in your opinion against the Venmo policy, you can of course write like this. I am having issues with my Venmo account being frozen. It's done incorrectly. I need to have another look on my account. I haven't done anything that goes against the policy of Venmo. So now when everything is correct, you have written it, click on submit. Now you're going to wait for a response back from Venmo support. I don't know, unfortunately, how much or how long it's going to take for them to actually respond back to you. You just simply have to wait. So wait, I guess, 24 to 48 hours, or maybe you can have to wait 1 week. Who knows, right? It's going to take them some time to probably see your email and then review your account. Unfortunately, I don't have the answer to how long this can actually take. But this is one way that you can try to actually fix your Venmo account being frozen.